Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve quadratic equations by graphical method. For that we will be needing a graph paper. You can see your quadratic equation in front of you, which is y is equal to 2x square minus 5x minus 6. The question states that you have to solve the equation graphically, and the range of values for x is also mentioned, which is x ranges from -2 till +4, and these -2 and +4 is included in the range. So the first step will be that we will find the y values according to the x values of the equations. Since the range is given, that is from -2 till 4, so I will write -2 and then -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll put these values of x in my equation. I'll do it for one value and then the rest can be done by yourself. I'll put -2 instead of x in the required given quadratic equation, and I'll get the value of y accordingly. So (8 plus 10 minus 6 will give me the first value of y, so it will be a 12. Similarly, you can put in your value of x in the same quadratic equation, this quadratic equation, and find the value of y accordingly. So once you solve it, once you put -1 in the equation instead of x, you will get a 1 for y value. And then for 0, you'll get a 6. For 1, you will get a -9. For 2, you will get -8. And for 3, you will get -3. And for 4, you will get 6. Okay. Once you've got your values, you have to plot. Now you can see that I've plotted a graph of 2x square minus 5x minus 6. You can see this is -2 and 12. And then I'm sure you know how to plot all these coordinate points. Once you have plotted all these coordinate points, you have to join all these points with the help of a free hand. You don't have to use a ruler. Now, how can we solve this quadratic equation? By looking at the graph, you need to find the x coordinates, right? At y is equal to 0. This is a very important point. So at exactly y is equal to 0, these are the 2 points at which y is exactly equal to 0 on this curve, isn't it? These 2 coordinate points are the solution for this quadratic equation. So identify these points. What are these points? This is exactly 0.9, minus 0.9, and this one will be 3.4. So we have 2 solutions to this quadratic equation. What have we done? We have plotted the graph of the quadratic equation, and then at exactly y is equal to 0, or at the point where this line cuts the x-axis, where y coordinate is 0, gives you the coordinate of x, which is your solution. I hope you've understood it, and it's very simple to find the solution to the equations by graphical method. So all the best.